Wabasam County in southeastern North Carolina, southwestern Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, northwestern Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina.
A tornado was located near Evergreen, 15 miles west of Whiteville, moving at 35 miles per hour.
Located near Evergreen,
Tornado in quarter-size hail.
moving east at
Source,
35
radar
miles per
indicated
hour.
rotation.
Hazard, tornado and
Flying
quarter-size
debris will be
hail.
dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Radar indicated
Mobile
rotation.
homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Flying debris will be
Damage to
dangerous to those
roofs,
caught without
windows,
shelter.
and vehicles will
Mobile
occur.
homes will be damaged or
Tree damage
destroyed.
is likely.
Damage to
A
roofs,
dangerous storm will
windows,
be near.
and vehicles will
Suburban
occur.
Evergreen around 6:10
Tree
p.m.
damage is likely.
Southeastern Community College around 6:15 p.m.
Suburban Evergreen around
Whiteville around
6:10 p.m.
6:20 p.m.
Southeastern
Other
Community
locations
College around
impacted by this
6:15
tornadic
p.m.
thunderstorm include
Whiteville
Orem,
around 6:20
Brunswick,
p.m.
Clarkin, Cerro
Other
Gordo,
locations
and Columbus
impacted by this
Regional
tornadic
Healthcare System.
thunderstorm include Orem,
Take cover now.
Brunswick, Clarkin,
Move to
Cerro
a basement
Gordo,
or an
and
interior
Columbus
room on the
Regional
lowest
Healthcare
floor of a
System.
sturdy building.
Take cover now.
Avoid windows.
Move to a basement
If you
or
are
an
outdoors,
interior
That's
room
right
on
for
the
me.
lowest floor of a
or
sturdy
in a
building.
vehicle, move to the
Avoid
closest
windows.
substantial shelter and protect
you are
yourself from
outdoors,
flying debris.
That's literally for me.
Heavy rainfall may leave this tornado.
Substantial shelter
Do not
and
wait to
protect
see
yourself
or hear
from
the
flying
tornado.
debris.
Take cover
Heavy
now.
rainfall may hide this
Please
tornado.
submit reports of hail
Do
and
not
slash
wait to
or
see
wind
or hear the
damage,
tornado.
including trees or large
Take cover
limbs
now.
down, by calling the
Please
National
submit
Weather
reports of
Service
hail
Office
and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service